Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on ConvertKit review. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. One of the first things you'll notice about ConvertKit is its clean and simple interface. It's easy to navigate, even if you're new to email marketing. In ConvertKit, growing your email list is made easy, and either create a form or create a landing page. Customize these with a title, description, and a clear call to action to effectively grow your audience. The landing pages are basic but effective for lead generation. In the Sequences tab, you can create an automated email series by selecting New Sequence and setting up intervals between your emails. This is great for nurturing new subscribers or delivering a course via email. If you want to send a one-time email to your list, go to Broadcasts, choose a template, craft your message, and select your audience. You can either schedule it for later or send it right away. ConvertKit shines when it comes to automation. You can set up workflows triggered by actions like a new subscriber joining your list or a specific link being clicked. It's easy to build out a personalized journey for your audience, whether that's sending a welcome email or applying tags for more segmentation. In the Apps section, you can integrate ConvertKit with various third-party apps like Zapier, Shopify, and many more to automate your workflow even further. This flexibility is a huge advantage for anyone managing an online business or a blog. ConvertKit offers a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, which is perfect for those just starting out. If you need more advanced features like automation or premium integrations, the paid plans start at $15 per month. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.